Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1580 for the 2019 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, March 10th, 2020. It's 10:49 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:49 p.m. Central Time, and 7:49 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, Puffa, you have 8 spots. Superman 2, Bo 1, GDM 1, Jamo 1, Brian 1, Austin Britt 5, Austin with 11 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Puffa's on top, Austin on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Puffa on top and bottom. Puffa, you have the Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox, Cubs. Austin Britt with the White Sox. Puffa with the Reds. Austin Indians. Austin Britt, Rockies, Tigers. Superman Astros, GDM Royals. Austin Angels and Dodgers. Austin Britt with the Marlins. Austin Brewers, Twins, Mets. Brian Yankees. Austin Athletics, Phillies. Puffa Pirates. Jamo Padres. Bo with the Giants. Austin Mariners, Cardinals. Superman Rays. Austin Britt Rangers. Austin Blue Jays. And last but not least, Puffa with the Washington Nationals. All sealed up. Good luck, everybody. First up, AJ Reed for Houston, Studio Auto. Good old Houston. All right, so we have Houston and AJ Reed Auto. Pete Alonso, rookie for the Mets. All right, Pete Alonso. We have the Astros, the Mets, and then last but not least, wow, we have a 1952 Topps Robin Roberts authentic autograph. This card is from 1952. Look at that. That's going to go to Philadelphia. Robin Roberts. That is a piece of history there. 1952. All right. Got a huge signing bonus of 25 grand. All right, let's start with the Houston Astros and AJ Reed. Houston Astros going to Superman. Congrats, Superman. And we have the Pete Alonso rookie for the New York Mets. New York Mets is going to Austin. Congrats, Austin. And then the 1952 Topps Auto Robin Roberts. 1952. Going to Philadelphia. Definitely looks like it's from 1952. And Philadelphia is going to Austin. Congrats, Austin. And that was break 1580 for the 2019 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find us on eBay, of course, and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then after that, we'll have the 2019 Gold Rush Football Value Pack. Thanks.